we are looking at how to pronounce these two words that look fairly similar and that do sound exactly the same. The same indeed. Those are homophones. They are to be pronounced the same way. The top word is an animal. In British English it is said as bear, bear. The bottom word is pronounced exactly the same. It is a verb meaning to support or to sustain. Bear, bear. Now in American English this is generally said as bear, bear. In American English, bear, or in British English again, bear. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. Subscribe if you want to learn more. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.